My name is Lydia Johnson, and I'm a student here at Columbia College. I was actually raised in Los Angeles for 16 years, and I wasn't exactly sure that I wanted to stay there forever, but I started to hop into a college there. What I soon realized upon being there is I was kind of lost in the sea of it. There was over 10,000 students there, and nothing was really individualized. So I decided to come up here based off of family. They had lived in the area and they said, you gotta check this place out. And I moved out here and I walked on this campus, a lake in the middle. You were greeted with smiles by the counselor's office, and they kind of brought you in and said, hey, what are your dreams? What do you want to do? No one asks you that when you're one of 10,000, but when you're one of, 1,000 maybe, you get that opportunity. When I had first joined in, I wanted to do the baking program, but upon me joining in here, I really got into the cookery side of it, and we got to work with meats and cheeses and veggies. So I'd come in with one idea in my head, and they completely opened it up to something else. And I fell in love with it. As soon as I came here, the professors, the chefs, the counseling office, they reach out. And as I said, it's individualized. They talk to you, and they kind of get you on that set, not just to your goals, but your dreams. Career education, find it, be it.